What if I told you intelligence, true intelligence, isn't just about thinking? It's about what fuels that thinking. And in today's world, that fuel is data. But here's the question. If data is the new currency of intelligence, where does that leave us humans? In a world where machines are learning faster, deeper, and broader than ever before. Let's step back. Humans have always believed intelligence is our domain. We dream, we reason, we create. And for millennia, that was enough. But then, we began building things that could do the same, only faster. We called it artificial intelligence. And what made AI possible? Data. Not just a few stories or memories, but oceans of information. Structured, labeled, quantified, fed into algorithms that now outperform us in chess, strategy, art, and even medicine. Not because they think better, but because they have more to think with. As humans, our intelligence is biological. We evolved to spot patterns in chaos, to make decisions not based on infinite data sets, but on emotion, intuition, and experience. And that is both our gift and our limit, that we rely on stories, memories, instincts passed down through generations. We absorb data, yes, but not in terabytes. We filter through meaning. We attach feelings to facts that were not databases. We're storytellers. But here's the twist. In the age of AI, storytelling alone won't cut it. Artificial intelligence doesn't sleep. It doesn't forget, and it doesn't second-guess itself out of insecurity or ego. It absorbs. It analyzes. It iterates. It's built to consume raw data at scale. Millions of transactions, billions of signals, patterns no human could ever grasp in a lifetime, spotted in seconds. But does that mean it's intelligent? Or is it just really fast mathematics? Maybe we've misunderstood intelligence altogether. It's not just having information. It's knowing what to do with it. It's the ability to connect dots that aren't obviously connected, to see meaning where others don't. That's what innovation is. Not just new things, but new ways of seeing things. So ask yourself, can AI see meaning? Or does it only calculate possibility? The answer? It doesn't matter. Because the line between the two is getting blurrier every day. Here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace the human mind. It's built on a different operating system entirely. AI works with data, external, explicit, measurable. Humans work with context, internal, messy, emotional. We don't just see what is. We imagine what could be. But we're starting to borrow from each other. Humans are becoming more data aware, and AI is being trained to understand nuance, ambiguity, even ethics. So what happens when both evolve in parallel? We keep asking, who's smarter, humans or machines? But maybe that's the wrong question. Maybe the real question is, who will adapt faster, humans or the systems they've created? Because if intelligence is based on data, and data is everywhere, then intelligence itself becomes a moving target. AI will chase it with computation. Humans will chase it with curiosity. But the one who adapts best wins. Let's not forget something. Every line of code, every neural network, every AI breakthrough started in a human mind. We imagine this future into existence. And just as we've shaped the tools, now the tools are shaping us back. But unlike machines, we don't need to wait for a data set to evolve. We can wake up tomorrow and choose to think differently. To innovate not just with data, but with imagination, ethics, empathy. AI might win in precision, but humans win in vision. We're not in a battle. We're in a collaboration. AI isn't our replacement. It's our amplifier. It doesn't create values. It reflects them. It doesn't have intentions. We program them. So instead of competing, what if we chose to align? to bring together the vast memory of machines with the boundless meaning-making of the human spirit? Because that's where the real future lies, in convergence, not conflict. So yes, data is the new currency of intelligence. And in that economy, AI is rich beyond measure. But humans? We hold something AI will never possess. A reason. A reason to ask, a reason to build. A reason to care. Machines can process data, but only humans can give it purpose. So as the lines between artificial and human intelligence continue to blur, let's remember, it's not about who's smarter. It's about how we grow smarter, together. In the end, it's not man versus machine, it's man with machine. Fueled by data, driven by purpose, guided by wisdom. That is intelligence, and that is our future.